I came in originally because I had problems with both knees. I was getting injections first every 6 months, cortisone shots, in order to walk without pain on my knees. Then it went up to 3 months, and all of a sudden I had an injection, and I was campaigning for Congress, and we were in an event, and my knees started swelling up. I was having a reaction to the cortisone shots. I was told at that point when I got those cortisone shots that if this doesn't work, you're going to wind up having both knees replaced. And I'm like, I can't do that. I can't take 6 months downtime. Then to find out that if I have my knees replaced, I'll be going through this every 8 to 10 years for the rest of my life. My husband and myself have been talking for years about possibly flying to New York to get the stem cell treatment. Lo and behold, we get an invitation in the mail, and it's like, hey, come to this right down the road from where we live. And we went and we signed up, and I can't tell you, it was the most remarkable thing, because I was run over by a Jeep, and I had multiple injuries. I had an injury not only that happened with my knees, but also my shoulder was dislocated and shattered, and it also caused me problems with my spine. Prior to that, to going to have this treatment, I couldn't even lay on my back and sleep without pain in the night. I had the treatment, and my husband insisted, let's go and have the full enchilada done. We did first the right side, and then 3 weeks later, the left. Well, after having that treatment done on the right hand side, they said, well, it's going to take a while to relax, work in and everything. Well, we're talking about hours later. That evening, I was able to sleep like a little baby. No pain, no nothing. I tell you, the next morning, I was up and about, moving about. My husband's like, are you all right? I have been recommending your company every door I've knocked on, and I will continue to push. So we really want to send and direct people where they're going to get the best treatment, the best service, and like I said, this has been the best thing that ever happened to me.